We're going to learn how to put some marker boxes on the map now, and these marker boxes are kind of like speech bubbles with a bit of text in them. So to start with, you need to show the markers and place the markers on the map. Then click New Marker, type the text you want, select a font size and a call out length, and then click on the map and a marker will appear. If you want another one, click on the map. Now if you want to change the properties of each marker, just make sure whichever marker it is you want to change is selected here. Then you can increase the font size, you can change it from a line to an arrow, you can invert it, and you can change the colours of each individual marker, like so. If you need to reposition it, make sure it's selected there and we have place marker on the map ticked, and we can move about like so. So that's one way of doing the markers. Another way, if we delete all the markers and we can paste postcodes and names in here. So if we switch over to Excel and we copy some postcodes, right click copy, go back across here, right click paste, back to Excel, right click copy, back to the tool, right click paste, import the above data, and that will automatically position the map, the markers on the map. As you can see, they're all inverted and not looking particularly great. So what we can do is we can tick this box to select all the markers, and then we can uninvert them, and change them back to a line, reduce the size a bit, maybe reduce the call out length, and there we go.